Welcome back friends. Friends, from this video I shall begin to make the slider. So this is the slider. This is the demo theme which is you will be watching at this time. So in this header section, this slider section, this search box will be made and this giant Computerfever, this box will come button through this button and how it works. This model box also will be created. So this slider box is right under these categories. I have made my work till these categories. As I said to you that I am making it statically, therefore this error is showing. The page username user account you are looking for is no longer when anybody writes the wrong URL. But when I shall begin my PHP work, then it will be disappeared. When anybody will write the wrong URL, then it will show. So for this, to start this work, I come back to my code editor, and first of all I close this page, categories underscore name.php. Now there is no need of this page, and I shall make a new page. I press Ctrl N and I write some dummy text and Ctrl S, so it will be saved inside the freelance folder. This is the main freelance folder. Home, the name of home.php, home.php. So inside this home.php, all this page, all this section, this header section and this section, all this section, in spite of this footer, because footer is separate, will be created. All the section will be created over through this home page. So now I shall include this home page in index.php because this page is showing over the index.php. So I make the PHP syntax include double quotes, parentheses and home.php because it is inside the freelance main folder. So I come back to home.php and I start my work here. First I make the header tag, header start and header close. And I write here home dash header, assign it a class home dash header. Home header starts. And ends. Now I make a div inside the header, div start and div close. Empty in margin top dash lg dash 5, empty dash md dash 3. So friend, empty dash sm dash 2, it means that margin top on large screen 5 and margin top on medium MD screen 3 and margin top on SM small screen 2. These are the default classes of Bootstrap. Now I have commented this div ends. Now I make the center tag, center start and center close. H1 for showing the heading one. Don't just dream, do. Now P tag for showing the paragraph. And I assign it a class lead. So I shall copy this text and paste inside it. Now I make a form tag for showing the search icon and search tab. Field, input field, I assign the method post and also assign it a class call md5. Now I comment it. Ends. Now I make a div inside this form and assign it a class input dash group. Now I comment it. Ends. Now I make an input tag. Style will be text and assign it a class form dash control. Input dash lg mean it will be a large input field. Placeholder for showing the text over the input field. Search proposals. Assign it a name. Later on calling it in PHP search underscore query and required for validating the input field. Now I make a span tag, span start and span close for showing the search icon beside it. I assign it a class input dash group dash btn. Button, I have made the button inside it. Class btn space btn dash success green color btn dash lg mean large size button. Type submit and assign it a name for calling it in PHP later on search. Now use the strong tag, strong start and close inside the button. Here I have written search. Now I come out of form, the closing form tag, but I'm still inside the center. And here I make the h3 and assign it a class mt3 in margin top 3. Now I make the anchor and assign it the hash dummy link class btn space btn dash success btn dash lg data dash toggle is equal to model data dash target equal to double quotes hash registered dash model. I would like to show you this ID which was made here in header.php. Friend, this is the ID register.model which has been assigned to register model box. So whenever anybody will click over here, he will be sent to register sign up model box. Now I make an I tag for showing the icon beside it. fa space fa dash sign in. Join Computerfever. Now I come out of H3 start and close. Empty dash 3 and I make one more anchor tag. Data dash toggle model and data dash target. This ID, how it work. Actually it is how it works, not the this session is relating to how it works. When anybody will click over it, this text, the how it works box will be open. Sorry for the mistake. So friend, now I go to my browser and I refresh this page, and now you can see that this text don't just dream do, and this search box is showing, and this search button, green button is also showing, and this green button Join Computerfever also showing, and how it works. If I click over it, nothing, this please fill the form because I have assigned is the required value. And if I click over Join Computerfever, then this register box is opening because I have given it the ID. I have shown you this ID which leads to sign up model box, register dash model. So this box is opening, and if I click over here, nothing happening. But if I come here and I click over, then this model, this kind of model box is opening. So friend, in next video I shall come back and I begin my work.